Hello friends, good evening. Today I am going to show a very good feature in Odoo version 17 compared to version 16. That is define an installment plan. So what I have done is I have defined an installment plan where 4 EMIs are taken as a down payment and 8 EMIs as an EMI. So this is my version 16 where I have defined the EMI plan. So when I want to do the similar kind of thing in version 16, like if I want to define 10 EMI, then how exactly it is. So I need to convert into percentage, then given a value of percentage over here, and then I need to define how many days. So first is 0 month, and then again I need to give 10 as a percent with 30 days of installment cycle, and then again 10, then need to define cycle again over here 60, then again 10, then 90, then 10 again, then 120, then 10 again, then 150, and then 10 again, then 180, and then 10 again, 210. So as soon as I'm trying to save, it will give me an alert because I haven't completed my full installment plan. So see, it is still one line as a balance. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then final installment will be the balance. So as soon as I'm done with that, it will show me the installment plan like this. First installment is 20 rupees and so on. So I need to check why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then balance will be 10%. So it is 10 EMIs, but it is showing like this. If I invoice for 100, then it will be drawing 9 installments. So let me just define percentage 10 again, then it will be 270. So months will be 10th month. So this is ultimately days, what I am trying to figure it out. Then if I want to add one more line with a balance, it will show me like this. Okay, first installment to last installment as a balance, and these are reminders a month. But now in version 17, when I want to define accounting and payment terms, how easy it is to define the installment plan. So if I want to define 10 EMIs, how easy it is. So I just go here, put a 10%, and I say 0 days, then the rest 10, then I want to give 45 days of installment cycle. So it gives first 45 and then every 30 days. So by default it takes 30 days into its consideration. I just have to give percentage wise balance, and very quickly I can generate my EMI plan like this. And then now it can show 20, so it is going into negative. So I see it is more than 10%, and then it is showing me exit 100% out of this. So this is 30, so it is mismanaging for every 60 days, but yeah, how it is taking care. So it is very easy to define now any installment plan in version 17, and how it will look. Let's take a look at that also for our consideration. Now when I am going into and creating any invoice for my customer, I am just adding a line, then I say quantity 1 and amount will be let's say 10,000, and I select a payment terms of 10 EMIs, and I save it, and in journal item I can see all the installment with due dates. See how cool it is. So this is very important feature in version 17, and compared to now, let's see in version 16, as I have defined 10 EMI plan, I am generating a customer invoice over here, and I am adding one product with one quantity and 10,000 as an amount, and here is the payment terms. I just save it, and then over here in journal item I can see this with due date with the text. So this is how it works in version 16, where it is very difficult to create an EMI plan, but in version 17 comparatively it is very easy to create a payment term with EMI plan. Okay, thank you friends, bye.